There are days when you decide to wash your hair and realize you're running super late for work or college. The first mistake you end up making is wiping and rubbing your hair vigorously with a towel. If you already have a few split ends, rubbing your hair with a coarse surface like a towel can worsen split ends and lead to frizziness. Here's what you can do post-shower to make sure you keep those split ends at bay. Rubbing your hair dry with a towel will only promote more breakage. Gently squeeze the excess water out of your hair using a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair when it's almost dry. The best way to avoid any breakage and deal with tangles is by starting at the ends and slowly working your way up. To manage tangles, use a leave-in conditioner. Your hair is naturally more elastic when it is wet. This means that it is more prone to damage. Using a leave-in conditioner will protect the hair cuticle, manage frizz, and prevent breakage. Tight elastic bands can damage your hair and cause hair breakage. Switch to softer hair ties like scrunchies. Switch from a cotton pillowcase to a silk one. The silk prevents your hair from getting pulled and tugged when you toss around in your sleep. If you really have to use your hair dryer or straightener, then make sure you use it on the lowest setting to prevent your hair from drying out. Use a heat protectant spray or serum before you use any heat styling tools on your hair. Hair masks deep condition and nourishes your hair, restoring lost nutrients and keeping them hydrated and soft. Make sure you wash out the product completely from your hair before using any heat styling tools. You can easily make a hair mask at home using onions. All you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of onion juice, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix the ingredients together in a bowl. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Now clip up your hair, cover it with a shower cap and keep it on for an hour. Rinse your hair with a mild shampoo. The benefits of onion mask are: onion juice is rich in sulfur that prevents hair breakage and thinning. This mask nourishes your hair follicles and promotes hair growth. The weather outside can leave your hair dry and brittle. This makes it prone to breakage as well as split ends. Make sure you cover your hair with a scarf or a cute hat to lock in all the moisture and keep it protected. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comment section below. For more makeup tutorials and skincare tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo daily.